Riwruog Maendeleo Ya Wanawekwe ochano chako chenro mar yiero margi ne jotelo ma e gwenge duto ma pacho ka. Jakom board mochung' ne yiero e riwruogno Ann Amba oyango ni yiero biro chakore e wards 1450 kendo biro kawo kinde maromo dweche 6 bang' yiero mar jakom margi. Gimedo jiwo jokanyo mondo mi ondikre manyien ka jogo mantiere kod dwaro mar laro olemo bende koro mi thuolo mar ndikore.
The Maendeleo Ya Wanawekwe, we are preparing our women, our members, in good time so that they may be able to know that their requirements must be conformed and follow to the letters, to follow with the constitution. Because we start the elections from the ward level right to the county and right to the province and to the national. We do not want to delay, or we do not want the election board to be blamed later on to say that they did not give us enough time.
Current office bearers eligible for the election. I want to say yes, they are. We are going to be in the 1450 wards, the 29 sub-counties, the 47 counties, and come to the national level. And therefore, this is to say our membership should get ready, register, old members to renew their membership, new members to register as new members, and also those who are wishing to vie for a position to get ready and to buy their nominations.
Let them now go out there and start recruiting members who will then also vote for whoever they wish to vote for.